Okay, what are we gonna say when we drive past the houses? What are you gonna say, Stevie?
Happy birthday.
Let's hear ya.
Happy birthday! Take it.
What are you gonna say, Levi? Levi, what are we gonna say? Levi. Levi. Yoo-hoo. Yeah, there's a motorcycle. There's an elephant on a motorcycle over there. Here's everybody kind of waiting, getting ready to go. Levi, what are you gonna say?
Go.
You're gonna practice saying happy birthday?
Go.
Stevie, can you say happy birthday? Oh, they were just doing it a second ago, and of course when I get the camera out. Levi. Ketchup chips for a snack while we wait. Levi, what are you gonna say?
Happy birthday.
That's right, buddy.
Happy birthday house.
What are you gonna say, Stevie? Uh-oh, did you drop it? I better get it. Look at that face. I'll get it. It's okay, Mommy, get it.